Operator precedence determines the order in which operations are performed in an arithmetic expression. As in traditional school mathematics, the order of computations follows the following sequence: brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. To illustrate this example, let's take a look at a basic equation. Here, we have 50 plus 200 in brackets multiplied by 3. In this equation, 50 would be added to 200 first. The result would then be multiplied by 3. We'll go ahead and test this in our web browser, and we can see we get the correct result, 750.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.